Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperocoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. In this part of the matplotlib series, we'll be talking about axis ranges. Let's start by plotting a function. So, you have x and y, sine of x divided by x. You have the figure on the axis, and now let's plot this function. Here it is. As you can see, the axis ranges are adjusted for us automatically to fit the data, from -10 to 10 on the x-axis and from -0.2 to 1 on the y-axis. But we can explicitly set the axis ranges for each axis using the setXlim and setYlim methods respectively. You pass the lower and upper limit to either method. Have a look. Now we're using the setXlim method, and we want the x range to be between -5 and 5, because we're only interested in the middle part of the graph. Fine, let's plot it. And now as you can see, the range is from -5 to 5. And now let's use the setYlim method. This time the y range should be between -0.2 and 0.2, because we're only interested in the lower part of the graph. So here's the plot. And one more example, this time we'll set both x and y axis limits so that the graph is smaller in size. So set xlim from -15 to +15, set ylim from -1 to 3, and here it is. -15 to 15, -1, +3. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.